Welcome. Today I'm showing how to link or unlink your Google Assistant option from Power Key into a Honor 70. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into accessibility features. Here go into shortcuts and gestures, and here we got Google Assistant option. So here we got wake with power button. So this position of switcher it's turn off this option, and this it's activate this option. So and now let's try hold down power key, and how you can see our Hey Google is activated. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.